Hello everyone, good morning. It's 4:30 here in the morning. We woke up early today. Bebe, oh. Bebe. Taba ng pisngi mo. Maaga niya nagising, guys. 4:30, around 4 gising siya. Hindi siya makahinga at may sipon. Ang aking babure. Ang taba ng pisngi. Ang taba ng pisngi. Ang bigat na. Masakit na sa likod pag isinasayaw. Ay, bibi, ang aga mo nagising, be. Tapos maaga ka din matutulog mamaya. Paano ako maglalaba? Ha? Oh, talk to them. Good morning, guys. Huh? So, good morning, guys. How are you? Welcome to another video. Come on. Oh. Talk to them. Come on. Huh? Yes. Okay, continue. Continue. Why you woke up early today? Huh? Why you woke up early? Why? Look at here. Look at here. Oh. Ayaw niya nang tumingin. Oh, look at here. Why you woke up early? Because likot niya, busy ang mata niya, tingin siya ng tingin sa may bubong namin. Sabi ko, ang likot mo, malikot ka, tingin ka dito, tingin ka dyan. Hikab. Oh. Nog. Kalibay. Oh. See you later, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. See you later. Nag-start na sila nag-harvest. Yan yung harvest sila, harvester. Pero ang mahal naman ng bayad. How much per minute, okay?
It depends how many. For 1 hour is 1,800.
Oh, 1 hour, 1,800. But you cannot sell the hay, huh?
This one, yeah, no. If this one, they are harvesting until down cutting, I can sell that one. This one, no. They will not gonna buy this one because this one very small. Look, very up they are cutting, and this one not nice.
But you don't have any.
What any?
Babo! Bebe?
Or also this one harvesting. No.
Anak ko, you're looking at me, why anak? Why? Because you didn't give me. Babu. Ah. You're smiling? You can see yourself? Huh? Wow. Ah, you're always playing your saliva. Bebe? After this lip, ah? Look at yourself there, oh. That's you, oh. That's you, oh. That's mommy. See? We don't have any similarities. Huh? Oh. Yeah. So where is the grain? Inside?
Go there. Go.
Hello everyone! Hapon na dito sa amin. Come on. Hello guys! How are you? Bagong gising si Asher. Hapon na dito sa amin. So ayan guys, binilad na nila yung palay na na-harvest. Kaso alam nyo, konti lang sa lawak nun. Alam nyo ba na 12 sacks lang yung na-harvest nila? Tapos yan, binibilad na. Ang konti. Pero magtatanim sila ulit. Tatamnan nila yan, pinatraktor na rin nila yan. Tatanim sila dito sa may harapan. Tapos magtatanim din sila dun sa may likuran. At dun sa lupa nila, yung kapiranggot na lupa nila, dun sa kabila. Tatamnan din nila ng palay. Pero ang unti lang, nagulat nga yung biyanan kong babae. Sabi niya, ha? Eto lang yun. Nagulat siya nung binagsak na. Kasi ang unti. Ako din nagulat din. Kasi sabi ko, 12 sacks lang lahat yun. Ang unti naman. Kasi ang ina-expect nila more than. Kasi nung nakaraan daw ang naano nila 17 sacks. Nung nakaraan. Harvest nila. Pero ngayon 12 lang. Pero sabi nga niya, okay lang daw kasi magtatanim naman daw ulit. Kahit maka 50 daw sacks para sa pang-6 na buwan or more than 6 na buwan nakakainin. Lalo nga't ano na kami dito, 6 na katao na kami na kumakain ng kanin. Tapos magiging 7 na pag marunong na kumain si Asher.